All right, so it is October 13th on the early in the morning, like 4 a.m. I jumped into this trade. I tried to record everything, but then when I went to process it, my screen recorder did a bug splat, so I lost it. So here we are. So we're back. So right here we had red dots and black bar and a green bar. So that's a signal to get in long. So we got in long right here, looking for a target right here or right here, and starting stop is right here. And sure enough, it just went straight down after I bought it. And this is just getting back into trading after being pretty much on like a 2-week vacation, redoing the office, floors, walls, everything, computers, new desks, new everything. So ripped this whole office apart, completely redid it all. Got it all back in action. Now we're back and jump into a futures trade, and it goes straight down. So this is on our red dot strategy. Hopefully this will execute a winner for us. So instead of trying to get this target, because I'm going to go to bed, I'm going to put an OCO order in for a stop right here, and we'll just have to take this first target. So I'm going to cancel this order. Single OCO. I'll put this arrow on first, make sure I can grab it quick. Alright. Get this thing up around 75. And then we're long, so we're going to sell it to get out. Close enough. Alright, so our target is now 3551 roughly, 35515. Alright, let's put my OC order in here, and then I can move it around. Hopefully I'm in yeah, perfect. So grab it, move it up right there, and then back down to our original starting stop. Alright, cool. So hopefully this thing will execute a winner before the morning. I'll wake up to money in the account. Will be nice instead of this losing trade so far. And then yeah, we'll look for some trades tomorrow. Hopefully we can day trade tomorrow. It'll be our first day back day trading with the new account. So if you haven't been following my day trading accounts, I blew up my little account doing the all-in all the time experiment. Blew up account number 1. We're going to do 3 accounts. So account number 2 is going to start tomorrow with like 460 bucks in it. So I have 2 weeks to make $150 or $200 to keep that account alive, because platform fees will be coming out. It's going to be so hard to do with such a tiny account, but we're going to give it a go and see what happens starting tomorrow. So or today when you're watching this video, probably by the time this trade finishes and I put this up on YouTube. All right, everybody, we'll see you tomorrow, and hope you have an awesome day. All right, so it looks like we might be getting stopped out here on the red light, green light. Entered here, gonna get stopped out here. Pretty decent little loss there, and then we'll see. It's close. It's close. All right, so about to get stopped out here. Maybe one more quarter, and I get stopped out. What's it gonna do? Looking at level 2 here is a little bit of shares, a little bit of buying lineup right here. Is it gonna? Nope. It couldn't save me. I'm out. I got stopped out. So we took a little hit there, and now, yeah, that's actually pretty great, because now when the red dot shows up again, I don't have to worry about losers for a while, I think. I mean, anything can happen. I mean, this could lose every time for the rest of my life now, but most likely, if I look at the past and hope that the past repeats itself in the future, then I'm good to go for a while. So, all right, everybody, there goes the futures trade. Red, loser. Haven't had any futures trades in a while. Finally get back in and start out like that. So there we go. You'll see a red trade video.